Research has shown that when students actively engage with learning materials, it leads to higher rates of attention, interest in subject matter, and satisfaction. LibreStudio is a learning object repository that includes interactive, open-source learning activities that can complement course content in lectures and textbooks, and can be linked or embedded into your course site. This video demonstrates how to use LibreStudio to find open-access digital learning activities for your discipline and class level. LibreStudio hosts interactive learning objects from across the disciplines. To narrow our search, let's select the option to Browse Collections on top of the page. As you can see, there are collections for almost every discipline. Let's use the toolbar on the left to sort the results by subject. I'm selecting Medicine, Nursing, and Nutrition, and then clicking Search. Limiting the collections to medicine, nursing, and nutrition brought the results down to 10 collections, but many of the collections include multiple resources. Let's look at OpenRN simulations. Looking at the resources record screen, we can learn basic information about this resource, specifically who created it and when. If you hover over the icons on the left side of the activities, they indicate what kind of activity it is. This resource is focused on simulations, but other collections might have interactive videos, hotspot pictures, fill-in-the-blank questions, etc. Let's click on Oxygenation Scenario. This exercise is more complex, so they've designed it like a course. It's a series of tutorials on responding to different oxygenation levels in patients. In this interactive series of activities, students can get the benefits of experiential learning and real-time feedback, even in online asynchronous classes. You can use the Reuse or Embed buttons to copy the codes necessary to embed these resources in your course page. If you'd like to explore LibreStudio's collection of interactive learning experiences, you can use the link in the video notes or reach out to UWM's Open Textbook project at open-textbook@uwm.edu.